how to remove the lock screen pin password pattern lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. So you will see lock screen and always on display here. So click on lock screen and always on display. Now here, so click on screen lock and biometrics. So after click on screen lock and biometrics, so enter your phone pin and click on continue. So after click on continue, you will see pin password pattern is here. So if you want to remove lock screen pin password pattern, so click on none and click on remove data. So after click on remove, you will see pin password pattern is removed on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can remove the lock screen pin password pattern lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.